Hi, guys. Today is Friday, October 16th, and today we are going to talk about social institutions. So, we're going to click on the discussion, and it says, please view the slides below. So, what are cultural or social institutions? Click on this little arrow right here, and it'll move you on to the next slide. If you need to make the slide bigger, go ahead and click this button right here. That'll give you a full screen. So you're going to have to click on it. It's going to give you the definition of social institutions. So you have a government, right? And it should fulfill a need. And what does the government feel the need for? Order. So you have court. And then you have police officers, and they feel the need for safety, all right? Because we have to have some type of need for, people doing wrong. And that's what the officers would do. And then you see a hospital right here, and they feel the need for, people that maybe want to lose weight, drink too much soda, so they feel the need. And then you have an image of the stock market, and you make money off of the stock market. Well, make money or lose money depending on how the stock goes. And then you have a school, and that feels the need for knowledge. Or a lot of you are like, why do we even come to school for? And it's so you can learn things. And then you have this picture of the world with all different kinds of religions. And that has the need for you have a faith, things that you trust in, your beliefs, your values. So all these institutions fulfill a need. Alrighty, so they can also be described as social norms, meaning customs and traditions that are part of a normal part as part are a normal part of a society or a culture. So like right now, you go to a school. Either you go to school physically or you're virtual learning. So that is a social institution. So you're going to read all these, continue through them, and then you're going to answer at the bottom. It says number 2, which is the next step, not like the number 2 question. It says, what cultural or social institutions do you feel need improvement and why? So if you look back at the social institutions we had showed you, you have the religion, you have school, you have the stock market, medical, officers, and government. Post a response to another student's post by agreeing and adding their point or disagreeing. If you agree, type, I agree, Coach Siller, and then you would also add the explanation. If you disagree with what I wrote, just put, I respectfully disagree, Coach Siller, and then give me the reason why you disagree. Because remember, everybody has their opinion. Not everyone thinks the same. If it does, we would all be like robots, kind of. But people are like, oh, maybe this, and then maybe you're like, oh, I see your reasoning why. And so that's why you're going to explain why you agree or disagree with that person. And so remember, you're answering the questions and then you're replying to somebody. And that's it for Friday.